Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hanging indent here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Canva, there's no direct hanging indent feature like in word processing programs that you might be familiar with, but you can still create a hanging indent manually with a few adjustments. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the design or project that you're working, or if you haven't already, just click the template here. And from these options, you can use the business template, social media, education, video, marketing, and print products. If you have a specific design in mind, just click the create a design option in the upper left corner. Now here, I'm going to upload a specific file here. Okay. And then on the next page, I'm going to, how about we create something like this. Now, what I'm going to do is create a text, add a text box, and you know what? I'm going to add a random information here. For example, this, okay? Now, for you to be able to create a hanging indent effect, all you're gonna do is copy the first sentence or paragraph or sentence in this case, copy that. I want you to go to the text again, maybe add a subheading, all right? The subheading will be at the top corner, right? Of course, you have to make it a little bit smaller this time. So I'm gonna decrease the font size, like maybe 20. Okay, so I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger and put it just around here. Now, of course, we can arrange this one right here, something like this, right? And you can be creative. You can put in like a different color, like use the underline. So it's up to you, all right? But the idea is this is one of the easiest way for you to create a hanging indent here in Canva. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you wanted to share this to your collaborator or client, just click on the copy link. We will see you again in the next one.